For how catch almost say omanya call no omanya ni free him fan. Deacon Kwabena edu Boahen e de asemaba. And rather Attorney General ni briefing na obeye no or say Deacon ye di Ghana for sika say 39.4 million and yasem kito and 7 no na magada jebre ni mfa go through. Aha let's do GHC and then first time I put into a video make sure subscribe. I'm a menu clicking notification bell listen for latest updates and follow Facebook. As let's talk GHC and TikTok so as let's talk GHC video I'm a share any comments be I want na we ja comment section ho e de amame abusia enada eye the Attorney General Dr. Dominic Ayine oba be ye press brief na it say sikasem bia na papa yi bubo so no na chese ayehu na nipa ne din ebon asem we mu eye Mr. Kwabena Edu Boahen unya click na aha bubebusa se papa we ye hwan okay say ebra Emirates airline manager no ye ko kidnap na omo hwehwe ne gidigidi no sa din we ebai na ne ho bon asem ni mu gidigidi pa nya asem kitwa kra na enu Attorney General chima was same on the 20th of March 2025 ya ana omu tracy no ma start tracy papa yi dada first trace no UK from UK to Dubai and then obedu Ghana on the 20th of March no ehwa na yoko so ne panchi kuma ewo eye Kotoka International Airport na ade cheye ana onu ane ho kani na tesa asem na between Mr. Kwabena Edu Boahen ene ne ho kani Madam Angela Ejei Boaten mo mienu ane kabo mu ana chesesi kasem yi omaye ne kama ede amagana enti no de chi ni kunu on the 20th no ade chi 21st ane kochi eye ne ho kani Madam Angela Ejei Boaten na awarefo e omatena for be 13 years what I say then so ma ware achi ye to munimo mu ho bebusa se papa yi ni dwumadi a wodi ye se papa yi no ono ene ye former Director General for National Signals Bureau aha enti ono ana wako sign a contract in the name of Ghana sika na oboye no $7 million meanwhile enye se sika no ana okotua edema company no ne omo sign a contract enya asem pito enti no chese Attorney General eso ne ne yiri ni so ye chi yoko chi one ne yiri ni mienu no na chese emanfo be bisa se de na akoso na Attorney General se montwan gini no na sa ene National Signals Bureau no tete no da no somewhere 2017 na ne din ede eye Bureau of National Communication na chese BNC ti na woti BNC no eno enene asesa akwa National Signals Bureau until that time na papa no oye Deputy Director General for the company and later until say obi a Deputy Director General called to me sign contract wa brand boss na nkasa eniho but later almost sign the position ne ebe no Director General himself what I say it na just ono atimi sign contract eye bibia in the name of Ghana aha enti sa 2018 hona ye beye no eye Director General himself no ana one ne yere ekabo mu ana omukobie company and din ede BNC Communication Bureau Limited meanwhile na BNC original na eye in Ghana's name no wo ho ana omuso kabo mu no omuso kobie omode in the name of BNC Communication Bureau Limited what I say inti mi chema you were private for themselves on any no and a BNC the original for Ghana inti we private and a public there's a Ghana there no and omode aha it's on the 26th of October 2018 and omoami no okunu ene oyere Madam Angela ni kunu Mr. Kwabena Edu Boahen kabo mu no mkobie account ewo UMB edema omo communication we no BNC Communication Bureau Limited no omko be UMB bank account e man no what I say is omu mini business just a company without bank account there we the operate what I say so omko be account man no na just a BNC the original one nso aye Ghana there no enso e Fidelity bank account this is for the Ghana's own no e Fidelity bank account and omo private own e UMB account now be busa say edin eneto aso we eto say say in 2020 and Mr. Edu Boahen sign deal with an Israeli company a company ni edin di ISC Holdings Limited. Na saa INC Holdings Limited no na kyese ade a auto every ho eye cyber defense software for $7 million. That is what the man said. Say ade na auto no software na auto no eye $7 million inti no eno ana call eye Fidelity account nim for BNC no ekoko transfer ye. What I say eno wo de kwa akoto software no in Ghana's name inti Ghana for nim say software na ye kwa akoto ne $7 million. Inti or transfer funds no from that BNC Fidelity account ne belonging to Ghana na straight to unknown account nim. Ni BNC Communication Bureau Limited account nim ewo UMB na kyese wo de akwa akoto. Na kyese dealings na oye no de akoto no sika ni nyina akwa na ode kotua Israeli company ne kana there be Attorney General Chechwemu how a ochiche sika nim edidi ni juma
Merchant Bank UMB. According to the mandate on the account, either of the directors could sign checks and approve transactions on the account. In his capacity as director of the National BNC, Mr. Boahen on January 30th, 2020, signed a contract on behalf of the government of Ghana and the National Security Council on the one hand, and on the other hand, an Israeli company called ISC Holdings Limited. The contract was for the purchase of a cyber defense system software at a price of $7 million United States of American dollars. Let us call this contract the GOG ISC contract. On February 6, 2020, Mr. Boahen then transferred an initial amount of 27,100,000 Ghana cedis, that is from the National BNC's operations account at Fidelity Bank to the private BNC account at UMB.
Yeah, eno na kyese ono no sika na nkasa de otua nkasa ede ma eye ISC no eye $1.7 million. Out of $7 million, no 1.7 and otua ede ma company na is a software no real amount and I say the price no for purchase no $1.7 million and papa na ji saying $7 million if you Ghana for hey yes I'm get to enti asem we na say better na bopusa kakra because Deacon was sorry bim Deacon o enti say Deacon kura ni omo maka no omo beye de enti kyesa amagana for no ho adwiri omo yie pam na Attorney General echechwemu no ene wo kire nsem ankasa kire say papa no properties are what no sika na na eda na account say or send him sa $1.7 million ni biye ye no edi twia sa software ne ka biye ye no ne ka won account mu 39.4 million Ghana cedis enye sika ketwa enti sika we wodi ni sen real estate bi edi Mayfair enti okwa no akoto edan $270,000 na watua ka adechia no asakotua another one ka $1 million chese ototototo japade no left right center wo a wakowie sika wonso a wudi no nyefu easy ana the osawo 2 properties ewo London chese nyasem peto no amediago na ho no kwa na chese enchechemu ne chese chese wo hwe ne kwa passport no obe mienu na yire nso so ewo British passport na chese wonne ne yire ne de we husband and wife beauty o ma ye adwuma ne clean a enyasem ketwa kwa nti sesi a ne de no kra de da ho nyina ne sem ISC contract na papa no Mr. Kwabena Boahen say $7 million no 1.790,000 wutuae dia ka ni nyina sesi a 39.4 million Ghana cedis ne de ni nyina ekodi papa ne ho a enya asem ketwa na emremu de beka ne say until say law ne ebechi no say final investigations ni bibia wie or ye guilty ne de still na onyanye guilty what I say but Attorney General still still na omugusu investigations or invoices ne nyoma e wo kire say just companies bebre kura wo ho about bear tenor papa no director one na yere ne director say your omodia but also omodi yemom no omuguso omoya underground checks movie asset bia wo bidi mu de ko bidi mu a aban ebeso mu se kua
Bank to the private BNC account at UMB. Official documentation on the transfer revealed that the amount was for the payment of cyber defense system software, which the national BNC was buying from ISC Holdings in Israel. Mr. Boahen, in effect, transferred the money from the national BNC to his private company, the private BNC. A review of the transactions on the bank accounts reveals that once the funds from the national BNC landed in the account of his private BNC at UMB Bank, Mr. Boahen caused his private BNC to transfer an amount of 9,537,520 Ghana cedis to ISC Holdings in Israel. By the exchange rate at the time, this amount was the Ghana cedi equivalent of 1,750,000 United States of American dollars. To justify
still na investigations ne said them tika and first na eguso a ekosunti until say law ne beka say finally investigations nyana nie ye de wakogina emranim emra ne kire say wodi for wodi for ne de until then onye guilty or right say obe deny bia and say obeka say onim ho hye but court and say finally investigations nyana set no omoka say ampa ade we waye no wagitu anya ntumu ene mrane ni no ene ewa asem ne no no obi ka say onyame sumpo ni na obeyo konfo nya sem kita me de mani edi ensem ni chi any update be for ba me de ba be so me ka so be follow Facebook as let's talk GH mo sana TikTok so as let's talk GH na share video ya ma fa be share bitin ede na ni ka santo no come